Dear students, good morning. So I think already you go through the before parts of chapter 1. So let's start to solve the questions in the exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. So the first question it is just first question there is the first sub question that you have to express each of the number as a product of its prime factors. So the number it is given 140. So you have to write this as the product means multiplication of its prime factors, means its prime numbers. So what do we have to do? The same process. First we have to factorize. Factorize 140. So let's factorize 140. So first it will take 2. So 2 7s are 14. That is 70. Again 2. Then 2 3s are 6. 1 left 10. So 2 5s are 10. Then again 5. Then 5 7s are 35. And 7 1s are 7. So now 1 it comes. So now we have to stop. So how to write? That is 140 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. So in this way you have to write. First you have to factorize, prime factorization. Then you have to write all the prime numbers in multiplication, and that is the answer. So I think you may solve the other questions in the question 1. So let's proceed for the second question. Question number 2. In question number 2, what it is? First we have to find the LCM and HCF of the two given number. Then we have to verify that whether the product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of the two given number or not. Already we discussed the example in before videos. So let's do exercise. Just take the question number 2, because in example already I discussed about the question number first in 2. So question number 2 it is 510. Numbers are given 510 and 92. Okay. So first we have to factorize. So let's factorize. Because to calculate LCM and HCF, first we have to factorize. Factorize 510 and 92 separately. So 510, first 2, 2 2 0 4, 1 left 11, so 2 5 0 10, 1 left 10, so 2 5 0 10. So now 5, so 5 5 0 25 and 5 1 0 5. So I think it will go by the prime number 3. So 3 1s are 3, 2 left, 21. So 3 7s are 21. So now 17 1s are 17. Now factorize 92. It will 2 2 4s are 8, 1 left 12, 2 6 are 12. Then again 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then 23 1s are 23. So here we factorize. Now we have to write both the numbers with their prime numbers in multiplication. So let's write 510 equal to 25317 means 2 multiply 5 multiply 3 multiply 17. Now 92, it is 2 multiply 23. Okay. So now to find the SCF, what we have to check that whether there will be any common number or not. So here in 510, here it is 2, and in 92 also 2. So for the pair of 2, we have to take 1 2 here in SCF. There is no other common numbers in between 92 and 510. So it means SCF of 510 and 92 is 2. So now to calculate LCM, what do we have to do? First we have to take the common number, then multiply the rest of numbers. Means in 510, 5, 3, 17 left. So just multiply. Then in 92, 2 and 23 left. So multiply. Sorry, इसको मैं ऊपर लिख देता हूँ. So LCM will be what? LCM equal to common number 2 multiply rest of numbers in 510, that is 5 multiply 3 multiply 17. Then rest of numbers in 92, that is 2 multiply 23. So let's multiply this. 2 5 are 10, 10 3 are 30, 32 are 60. So now 60 multiply 17 multiply 23. Okay. So now multiply 60 with 17. So just multiply 17 by 6. It will be 17 by 6 means आपका 102. 6 7 are 42. 2 4 carry. So 6 1s are 6 plus 4 10, and here 1 0 is here, so I'll just put here 0. Then multiply 23. So to multiply 23 in 102 1020 23, so we just multiply 102 with 23, then automatically 0 will be added. So what it will be? So let's multiply first. It is rough work. One zero two multiply 23. It is 3 2 6. Then 0, then 3, then 2 2 4, then 2 0 0, then 2 1 2. So it is 6 4 3 2. And here 1 0 we have to add it here. So it will be 2 3 4 6 0. So the LCM we found, that is 23,460. So now we have to apply the formula to verify the formula. So what is the formula? Formula is SCF multiply LCM equal to what is the given number? 510 multiply 92. 510 multiply 92. So first we have to take LHS, that is SCF multiply LCM. It will be equal to SCF is what? SCF we found 2 multiply LCM, it is 23460, means 23,460. So let's multiply this. It is 0, then 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 4 are 8, 9, 2 3 are 6, then 2 2 are 4. So it is 46,920 product of SCF and LCM. So let's multiply the two numbers, that is 510 multiply 92. So 510 multiply 92. So what do we have to do? We have to multiply 51 by 92. 51, 92. So 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, 9 1 are 9, 9 5 are 45. So it is 4, 6, 9, 2. So it is 4, 6, 9, 2. Then 1 0 here. It is 46,920. So I think both the numbers are equal. 46,920 and here also 46,920. So it means what? It means SCF multiply SCF of 510 and 92 multiply LCM of 510 92 equal to 510 equal to 510 multiply 92, and it verified. So is it clear? So I think you may do the next question like this. First you have to factorize, then you have to multiply the LCF and LCM, then multiply the given two number, then check whether both the product are equal or not. If it is equal, then the formula is verified. The formula is this. Okay, so let's proceed for the question number 3. So question number 3 is what? Question number 3 is that find LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying prime factorization method. तो इसमें केवल दिया है कि 3 नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं। अभी तक हम 2 नंबर्स का LCM और HCF फाइंड करते आए हैं, तो आपको यहाँ पे 3 नंबर्स का HCF और LCM फाइंड करना है। So you have to find LCM and HCF of 3 given number. So let's take the first question under the question 3. That is, the numbers are given 12, 15 and 21. So to find the LCM and HCF, what do I have to do? To factorize. So let's factorize. Factorize 12, 15 and 21. So first factorize 12. So 12, it is 2, 2 6 are 12, then 2 3 are 6, then 3 1 are 3. So 1 comes, now we stop. Now 15, let's factorize. It is 3, 3 5 are 15, then 5 1 are 5. Now it is 21. So 21, 3 7 are 21, 7 1 are 7. So now we factorize all the numbers. Now to find the HCF and LCM, first we have to write all the numbers with their prime numbers in multiplication. So let's write. Here we may write first 12 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Okay. Then 15 equal to 3 multiply 5. Then 21 equal to 3 multiply 7. So to calculate HCF, what do I have to do? First, we have to check whether there is any common number in between the 3 numbers, among the 3 numbers. So let's check. So here 3 is here also 3, and here also 3. So for these 3's, we have to take 1 3 in HCF, because here are 3 numbers. So we have to take 3 common numbers. So here 3 3 3. So for this 3, we have to write here 1 3. Then is there any common number? No common numbers. So what will be LCM? LCM will be the common number, that is 3, multiply rest of number in 12, that is 2, multiply 2, rest of number in 15, that is 5, and rest of number in 21, that is 7. So now 3 multiplied 2 6, 6 multiplied 2 12, 12 multiplied 5 60, 60 multiplied 7, it is 420. So now LCM of 12, 15 and 21, it is 420, and HCF of 12, 15 and 21, it is 3. So I think you may very clear to calculate the SCF and LCM of the given numbers. Thank you.